Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless hammer drills that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Makita P1813 Winning our nomination for Best All-Around Cordless Hammer Drill. This 18-volt drill is powered by a lithium-ion battery and brushless motor. The brushless motor affords a longer run time and overall tool life, while delivering higher speeds and power than others in its class. There are two 18-volt 5.0 Ah batteries included with the purchase of the drill, as well as a battery charging pack, which delivers a pretty quick recharge time of only 40 minutes. This means you can get more done in a shorter amount of time. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt DCD299P2 Hammerdrill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. The DeWalt DCD299P2 Tool Combo Kit is the best toolkit for you if you're looking for multiple applications. The kit features a brushless hammer drill and an impact driver, both of which are very comfortable to use. Thanks to their very compact dimensions, you'll be able to work even in the most cramped of spaces. The hammer drill is a high-performance, 3-speed drill, which ranges up to a whopping 2,000 RPM. The XR high-capacity batteries ensure a long runtime. Its performance makes it the best option for drilling through concrete, as the impact driver provides 1,825 N. 2 lb of torque. Triple-mode LED lights illuminate even the darkest of spaces and allow you to adjust the lighting based on the amount of brightness that you need, without wasting any unnecessary charge. At number 3, we have the Ryobi P1813 One Plus. This Ryobi kit offers it all: a drill, a battery charger and a flexible bag for storage. The drill itself provides up to 750 pounds of torque, which will allow you to work even with very tough materials. The hammer drill has a 24-position clutch and 3 different speed settings. All of that power is packed into a relatively small and light drill, weighing only 3 pounds, so you can work for extended periods of time without discomfort or having to take a break due to fatigue. The inbuilt magnetic bit holder will come in handy while you're working. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DCD 950B. This 3-speed cordless hammer drill is a great pick for someone who wants it all. This DeWalt drill is best in class for better control and balance, and its extended runtime batteries provide long battery life, which makes working with it so much more convenient. It also has a self-tightening 1/2-inch chuck and 22 different clutch settings, meaning there's almost no project it can't tackle. The drill delivers high power of 450 units of max power, without unnecessary weight. The drill weighs in at just under 4 pounds. Without the battery, which takes the strain off your wrists that other heavier drills can cause. Additionally, the drill features an LED work light, which is perfect if you'll be working in dimly lit, confined spaces. And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt DCD 771C2 kit and drill bit set. The DCD 771C2 20 volts max lithium-ion compact drill driver kit features a lightweight, 2-speed drill and a 14-piece drill bit set. The drill relies on a 20 volts battery to power it, which means plenty of power, whatever the task at hand may be. The kit also comes with a battery and compact battery charger, meaning that this is the only thing you'll need to buy to get all your projects done. This DeWalt hammer drill is incredibly lightweight and compact, and many users have reported how much easier they have found working with it after their previous, much bulkier and heavier drills. Plus, it has a highly ergonomic handle, for ultimate comfort whilst working.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.